Experiencing buffering on the Spectrum app with your Apple TV? You're not alone. This is a common issue stemming from three main areas: your network connection, DNS server settings, and the video bitrate. In short, buffering happens when the app can't download the video data fast enough to keep up with playback. Let's break down the likely causes. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Spectrum recommends at least 25 Mbps for HD streaming, but ideally, you should aim for 50 Mbps or higher, especially if other devices are using the network simultaneously. Secondly, your DNS server, which translates web addresses, might be slow. And lastly, the video bitrate, or the amount of data being streamed per second, might be too high for your connection to handle. We'll cover how to address each of these in the next section. Start by switching to a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Ethernet provides a much more stable and reliable connection that's less prone to interference. Next, change your DNS server settings on the Apple TV. Go to Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet, configure DNS, and manually enter faster public DNS servers like Google's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 or Quad9's 9.999. While the Spectrum app doesn't allow direct bitrate adjustments, you can optimize your router's quality of service settings to prioritize bandwidth allocation for your Apple TV. If issues persist, try basic troubleshooting. Restart your Apple TV, modem, and router. Use Spectrum's support app to run a connection test and check if your internet plan provides sufficient speed for streaming.